Hi everybody, Ellen Jaffe Jones, the veg coach and the broccoli rep, because who else is? So I just wanted you to see in the background a little bit before we adjust the lighting that I am on the property of Sarasota Memorial Hospital. Just came out of the very first Dean Ornish program for reversing heart disease session that I had. It was mainly an evaluation, and I just wanted to give you a description and a testimonial as to how well it's working. Of course, I just started, so I can't tell you how well it's going to work, but they did tell me after they put me on the treadmill that I was only the second person that the exercise physiologist has ever seen who made it to the fourth category. So what that means is, they had like a 15% grade. It was really quite something, and it took them all that time to get me to the maximum, or 80% of my heart rate, which was 130. So very cool that they have this program, because it includes a plant-based meal twice a week, and Medicare, believe it or not, pays for this, and then an hour of exercise in addition to what I'm already doing, as well as an hour of meditation. I'd sooner watch paint dry, and my cardiologist tells me that's the main reason I'm here, aside from the fact that my calcium score, cardiac calcium score, is 1600. It's supposed to be 0, but that's from all the high protein diets that I've done in my past, which are now finally catching up with me. However, many athletes also have a high calcium score, and so I'm not terribly worried about that. Dr. McDougall has a great video out there called Do Not Cath or I Will Sue, and he talks about his high calcium score, and he doesn't seem all that concerned about it. And also endurance athletes have a high calcium score as well. So I just finished the evaluation here, and I said, "Are you guys going to throw me out because I'm too healthy?" And he goes, no. He said, we still can improve your fitness. So I'm going to do a whole exercise routine of Stairmasters and ellipticals that are like cross-country machines, and I'm really looking forward to it. And also wearing the vegan shirt. So how does a vegan get a high calcium score? High protein diets in my 20s and 30s, and also too many Cliff Bars while I was on the lecture circuit and staying at the publisher's table and not eating those 5 to 9 servings of veggies a day, which I am now doing like clockwork. All right, everybody, that's an update. I'll keep you posted on how this goes. I'm really looking forward to doing it. And by the way, they said it's plant-based, not vegan, although I will be able to get 100% vegan meals, but they said, yeah, we offer eggs and all that stuff. So this is why my head goes nuts when we use the word plant-based, because it doesn't always mean 100% vegan. All right, gotta run.